Understanding Wire Crimper, a tool essential for electrical work. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term wire crimper. This is a phrase you might encounter in conversations about tools, especially in electrical work. Our aim is to make this term easy to understand, even if you're hearing it for the first time. A wire crimper is a hand tool used in electrical work. It's designed to join two pieces of metal, usually wire, by deforming one or both of them in a way that causes them to hold each other. The result is called a crimp. An important aspect of a wire crimper is that it creates a secure connection without the need for soldering or welding. This makes it a vital tool for electricians and DIY enthusiasts working with wiring. There are various types of wire crimpers, each serving a specific purpose. Some common types include 1. Standard crimpers, used for basic wire crimping tasks. 2. Ratcheting crimpers. These have a mechanism that ensures the crimp is complete before it releases. 3. Pneumatic and hydraulic crimpers, used for heavy-duty crimping, often in industrial settings. Understanding these types can help you determine which crimper is suitable for a specific job. Using a wire crimper involves a few steps. 1. Prepare the wire. Strip the insulation from the wire end. 2. Insert the wire. Place the wire into the crimper's designated slot. 3. Crimp the wire. Squeeze the crimper's handles together to crimp the wire. It's important to ensure that the crimp is tight and secure for effective electrical connectivity. Wire crimpers are essential for creating reliable and safe electrical connections. They are used in various settings, from simple home repairs to complex industrial wiring. A good crimp ensures that there is a strong connection, reducing the risk of electrical failures or hazards. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand what a wire crimper is and why it's such an important tool in electrical work. Remember, whether you're an English language learner or just curious about new terms, understanding the context and use of phrases like wire crimper can be very beneficial. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.